Many people out there today in the world are claiming that they are praying for the vulnerable, P-R-A-Y. But look close and you will realize it's P-R-E-Y. They're preying on the vulnerable. They're exploiting the desperate. It's a world of words. It's a world of thrilling. It's a world of articulation. And in the words of the Quran, I keep on saying it in my talks and my discourses, nobody can encapsulate anything like how Allah has encapsulated it. يُرْضُونَكُمْ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَتَأْبَى قُلُوبُهُمْ وَأَكْثَرُهُمْ فَاسِقُونَ. They appease you verbally, but the heart denies reconciliation. Your hearts will burst if you can comprehend. Yurdunakum.